Hey everyone, today we have something very interesting. This is the Insta360 X5, an 8K 360 action camera that can literally capture everything around you. But the question is this the most powerful action camera for creators in 2026? Today, we're going to unbox the Essentials Bundle, check everything included in the box, and test what this camera can really do. Hey guys, this is samstill and welcome back to the channel where we talk about photography, filmmaking, and real-world camera gear tests. If you're into honest camera reviews and real-world gear tests, make sure to subscribe because I upload new photography and filmmaking content every week. Let's open the Insta360 X5 Essential Bundle and see what we get inside. First, of course, is the Insta360 X5 camera itself, which can shoot 8K 360 video. This means the camera captures everything around you, and later you can choose your angle inside the Insta360 app. Inside the Essential Bundle, we get also an extra battery, a utility fast charging case, the famous 114 cm invisible stick, standard lens guard to protect the lenses, lens cap, carry case, USB-C cable, protective pouch, lens cleaning cloth, and of course a quick start guide. So honestly, this bundle already gives you the almost everything you need to start shooting immediately. Looking at the camera itself, the Insta360 X5 has dual lenses for 360-degree capture. So instead of aiming the camera like a normal action camera, this one records everything around you. This one is the coolest things about Insta360 cameras. When you attach the invisible stick, the camera automatically removes it from the footage. So it looks like camera is floating in the air, almost like a drone shot. The Insta360 X5 also has FlowState stabilization, which means even if you are walking, running, or riding a motorcycle, the footage still looks very smooth like you are using a gimbal. This camera is perfect for travel vloggers, motorcycle riders, adventure creators, YouTubers, and content creators making shorts or reels. Because from one recording, you can create horizontal YouTube videos, vertical TikTok videos, cinematic shots, all around at the same clip.
Is that so? What is this? This video is very nice. If I make like this.
So guys, the Insta360 X5 Essential Bundle is actually a very complete package. You get the camera, extra battery, charging case, selfie stick, lens protection, which makes it great starter kit for creators. If you want a camera that captures everything around you and allows you to reframe later, this might be one of the most creative cameras you can use in 2026.
So will you marry me, baby? So I can get me some sleep.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And I'll see you in the next one. Rphy Samstill.
We could go down to the Bahamas, live by the sea. 'Cause I don't got the time to fuck around here with people like me. I wanna marry a model. So